Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant, and this is the Facebook query asked by one of our friend, and the query is how to count and extract names who completed project or pending. Okay, this is the query, so let's solve it, and you also learn from me, and if you have any doubts, ask me in the comment box. Hi, welcome to Excel Guru YouTube channel. Like, share and subscribe. Okay guys, here I will explain you the details. First of all, there are two methods to count how many are completed and how many are pending. Okay, first of all, what I will do, I will make it I'll scroll a little bit to watch clearly. Okay, so here what I'll do data validation. I'll completed and pending. Okay, these two things I will do. Pending. Okay. Okay, first of all, we will count how many are there, the persons who are completed. Count. And another thing is how to extract the names who completed or who are pending. Okay, so I will make it pending here. Pending, because only one pending is there, so I will make it like this. Okay, there are two methods to count. Okay, there are two methods to count. One is with sum product and another is with countif. So first of all, we will do countif, and countif is a very fastest calculation when it is if you are doing a large data, and some product it will take some time to calculate. So maximum use countif if you are using large data. Okay, countif. What is the range? Here is the range. Okay, F4, simply and type F4 for this thing. Okay, enter. So totally 5 are completed. If we change this one to pending, it will show you as the 4. Okay, now I will show you with some product. Okay, the same count with some product. What you will do, F4 equal to pending. Okay, so it will show us the true and falses. So we are interested in trues, not by false. So convert this by using double negative. Okay, or you can make it any mathematical operator like this. 1 into F9, see, 1 plus F9. Okay, because it's adding, so use 0, F9. Okay, any mathematical operation, but I like to use double negative. Okay, I also freeze this one, F4. Now simply count by using sum product. So it will add all those things. Control enter. Okay. Now I like to want this one from this one to this one. Here till here. Control C. And now we have to extract those names of the employees who are completed or who are pending. The project is pending. Okay, so what you will do, first of all, we'll make it like this. Okay, if I remove this parenthesis if. It is a logic. Okay, if anything is true in logic test F9, see, true, true, true. Okay, true. So what you need, don't type this one. Okay, it won't work. Row, open the bracket, F4. So what it will show us, value true, it will show us from 3 to 11, F9. But we don't want 3 to 11, we want only from 1 to 9. Okay, so what you will do, simply minus a row of the same, the range you have selected for this. Okay, now it will show us the 0 to 10, sorry, 0 to 8. Okay, so we want from 1 to, okay, so simply add 1, close parenthesis. Okay, here we completed a true part in logical function. Logical test value true, and we are not interested in falses. So I highlight this one. See guys, first of all what I'll do is simply press enter, because I don't want to miss formula. Now logic test F9, and here I'm explaining step by step. If you have any doubt, ask me. F9. So what it will do, if anything is true here, it will pick up that number from here. The second one is true, so it will pick up 2, 3, 4. If the fourth one is true, it will pick up 4. And 4, 5, 6, seventh one is true, so it will pick up 7. And ninth one is true, it will pick up 9. Okay. So what you will do here, highlight the whole thing and press F9. See, 2, 4, 7, 9. So we are interested only in numbers but not in false. Okay, so here what you will do, small, from smallest, if I type any small, this is the range. Okay, F2, again I will show you, small, SML is small, and here I need 1. See, because K part will be 1. Okay, smallest, which smallest do you want to pick up? The first smallest, second smallest, third smallest. I will show you 1, so it will pick up the 2. Now highlight this one, F9. See, it will pick up the second one, pending. See, if I type instead of 1, it will show you the 2, means pending. Another one, this one, fourth one, it will pick up F9. See, now instead of doing 1, 2, 3, because we want to drag formula downwards, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that we need. Okay, so what you will do here, instead of doing 1, 2, 3, all those things, just use rows, open parenthesis, where we are the formula in F3, okay, $3. I'm locking the row but not the column, F3. Now what will happen, I'll simply enter here. What will happen, rows $3 colon H3. Okay, what will happen, it will show you 1, 2, 3. Here it is logged. See, this one logged from here to here 2, from here to here 3, from here to here 4, like this it will show us. Okay, I delete this one, and again I will go back to the formula, and now what I'll do, index of what you need, the names. Okay, F4, comma, and here is the row part, F9, so it will pick up the second name. Okay, now I will use Control Shift and Enter. I drag formula, it will show us the error. Okay, see here, if I change pending to completed, it will give us the completed one, this one, like this. Okay, so here also I will show you the conditional format. So first of all, what I will do here, if error, if you find any error in this function, give me the blank. else run this formula as it is, and I typed Control Shift and Enter. Yes, yes. You can able to see the curly brackets, Control Shift and Enter. If I change complete to pending, it will show you BDGI. Okay, the names who are pending. Okay, now I will show you another method without Control Shift and Enter. Okay, that is function called Aggregate. Okay, from Excel 2010 it is there, till 13 it can't handle array, from 14 it can handle array. We are interested in 15, comma, and 6, ignore error values. Now what I'll do, I'll open parentheses, I'll type row, open the bracket, F4 minus row of this thing, F4 plus 1, close parenthesis, divided by the condition. What the condition? If anything F4 equal to pending, F4. Okay, this is the completed. Now this is completed. Okay, now what you need, the K part. The K part, earlier I said that just go to rows, $3 colon G3, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Now what it will give us, I'll explain you. Options, array. Okay, so F9, it will give us some errors, but Aggregate will ignore errors and it will pick up the numbers. That is the reason I used 6 here. 6, ignore error values. That is the reason I have used 6. If you find any errors, ignore that error and pick up only the numbers. Okay, now what I'll do, simply go to index of names, Control Shift down arrow, F4, comma, close parenthesis, Control Shift, no, Control Enter. See, here also some errors, simply go to here, if error, if you find any error in this function, give me the blank, Control Enter. Here no curly brackets, observe guys, here no curly brackets, and here also, here curly brackets. Now I will show you the conditional format to highlight those with this condition. If I type completed, it should highlight only the completed one, not only this, it has to be complete this one also. This one also it should be highlight, including this, like this, completed, 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 like this. Okay, okay, like this it has to be done. Okay, I will show you that one. Is equal to this. I am locking the column part but not the row part, because when I drag formula it has to check each and every cell here only. When I drag formula here, the column should not move, only the row part should move. Is equal to, I am locking every side, F4. It should not move relatively, it should be absolute there only. Okay, enter. Drag formula here. Okay, see guys, wherever it is completed. Okay, now what I will do, F2, I will copy this one from here, Control C, highlight this the whole thing, Alt H L N, Alt H L N for formatting. Okay, use formula to determine, Control V. Okay, Control V, format, I need bold, fill with color, any color, font will be bold, and automatic it will be white, I think so. Let's check it out, is it working? Yes. Okay, and simply press OK. See, whenever I change this one, observe guys, this will also be changed accordingly. Okay, see here, you can easily visible, you can easily judge. Okay, and another thing, see, completed. Okay, and if you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment box, and with the professionals in my group, in Telegram group with professionals. Weekly classes are going, like powered by Tableau, Excel to Advanced Excel with the professionals. Okay, if anybody wants to join in my Telegram group, please mention below in the comment box. Thank you guys, thanks for your support, and have a nice day.